Okay, tell me again. Why do you want me to give you money for honey?
Because honey is very tasty. Yummy honey. I hope I don't get hit by any of these bees.
You sound like Winnie the Pooh.
I'm not Winnie the Pooh! What on earth are you talking about, man?
Look, I was just saying. Ugh.
Look, I was free from the robot. I need some honey to regain my strength. In order to rescue my friend, Flicky.
Flicky? Well, okay, hold on. Wait. How many friends do you got trapped?
Well, there's Pocky and Clucky. Oh, and of course, Ricky. And don't forget Barky.
Barky? Who's Barky? Never heard of him in the Sonic games.
Oh, Barky is a mouse. Did you get?
Look, you're not getting money to buy honey. That's the stupidest thing.
No, listen here. I want my honey right now.
Ugh.
You better get me my honey.
Get off of my face.
You're alone, Dolphin. What you gonna do about that?
Well, I'm gonna break your legs.
You're Dolphin. How are you supposed to do that, huh?
Well, don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to. Hey guys, another package come.
Ouch! I fell over. Another package? Really?
Sweet. What is it? I don't know. Well, Mario told us to do the unboxing video of it.
Sweet, well that is very nice. Oh, I bet this honey. Tasty, delicious honey.
Yeah, we better get going. Okay then, hop on and hold on tight. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video of DMBG Unboxing. Yes, it's very neat.
Oh boy, I get...
Hello everyone, what Morphoid?
What are you doing here? Oh, if you think you're causing another trouble, you got another thing coming.
Well, no, be quiet, you teddy bear. Or should I say, Winnie the Pooh? I'm here for the unboxing video.
Winnie the Pooh! Oh, I am not Winnie the Pooh!
You are! Oh, for the love of... Listen, I'm here to do the boxing video, and I've brought this bad boy right here. Okay then. Alright, well, let's get to start. Okay, we got another disc here, so might be another game or something. Okay. Okay, let's see Maverick unbox it. Wait, I thought you said they're random human. And don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to. Fair enough. I wonder what it is.
Whatever it is, it better be a Sonic game. Okay.
What? Oh my goodness! It can't be what I think it is. It is! Skylanders Spyro's Adventure for the Nintendo Wii! Oh man, that's awesome! We got both versions of it. One for the original and one for the remake.
What are you talking about? What's the difference between those?
There's a difference. One have the cut scenes in the gameplay and added some special popularity. The other one is the same, but well, it's a little it got some bad modelings as well.
Fair point. You do realize there's a glitch in this one.
Yes, I know. I'm aware of that. Man, can't believe you got both versions. Do you got the Pearl Power? Well, we do, but we haven't got that the wireless one. Oh, that's nice.
Ouch! Why do I keep falling off? That doesn't make any sense.
Yep, that's right, everyone. We finally got Skylanders Spyro's Adventure. Here's the catch. Maverick used to have the Wii version of it, but however, he may or may not lost it years ago. Yeah, no thanks to his siblings. His young siblings. I like his big sister better. Yep, that's right. Anyway, everybody. Well, plus we got a second package. A second package? I wonder what it is. Whatever it is, but be money. Alright. Let's see it. Wow! It's a Pearl Power! It's not even connected! It's wireless! That's pretty neat! Huh. Well, I'll be.
Whatever! I don't care! Is there a button? Oh wait, there is a button. Never mind.
Yep. Oh, this is one of the first portal that Maverick owns. It used to. Well, we said before, it was all because of his it's all because of his siblings. You heard me. Alright, you got coin? Well,
I got a coin, but I will save it for later.
Oh, brother. Yep, of course you have. This is going well as planned. Oh, not messing around, Sherlock. Not messing around.
Why do I keep falling off? This is the most horrible thing I ever imagined.
Okay, let's see the real deal. Okay, let's go. This is going to be only for a minute. Oh, brother. Maybe if we turn it like this? Does that work? That you might bring... Okay, yes, it works! And we got the chip as well! Aha, nailed it! Okay, how do we put it back in there? Wait, there's a button on it. Huh. That's something. Okay, let's put it back in. That's so quiet. Yep. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to click the bell, just in case we miss out any videos.
Until next time, see ya! Oh, and by the way, everyone, don't forget SpongeBob Lodge of Villains, the parody of House of Mouse. Oh, it might be best time. Oh, I hope I'm in it. Oh,